History of New Year, New Year's resolutions. The world welcomes the New Year's celebrations in many countries begin on December 31st, New Year's Eve, and last until the early hours of January 1st. Revelers eat meals and snacks that are considered to bring them good fortune. Watching fireworks and singing songs are traditions that are practiced all around the world. The start of a new year is an excellent time to make positive changes. Making New Year resolutions is more popular in the Western Hemisphere, although it is also practiced in the Eastern Hemisphere. A person makes a pledge to modify an undesired habit or behavior, or set a personal goal. Why do we celebrate New Year's on January 1st? The early Roman calendar became out of sync with the sun over the years, and in 46 BC, Emperor Julius Caesar resolved to fix the problem by contacting the most important astronomers and mathematicians of the period. He established the Julian calendar, which is very similar to the more current Gregorian calendar used by most countries today. Caesar made January 1st the first day of the year as part of his reforms, partially to commemorate the month's namesake, Janus, the Roman deity of beginnings. Romans commemorated Janus' birthday by presenting sacrifices to him, exchanging presents, decorating their homes with laurel branches, and throwing wild celebrations. Christian authorities in medieval Europe temporarily supplanted January 1st as the beginning day of the year with days with greater religious significance, such as December 25th, the birth anniversary of Jesus, and March 25th, the Feast of the Annunciation. In 1582, Pope Gregory XIII re-established January 1st as New Year's Day. With much zeal and jubilation, each person makes new resolutions and plans for the upcoming year. The New Year is thought to have originated in ancient Babylon some 4,000 years ago, in the year 2000 BC. The Babylonians celebrated the New Year with an 11-day celebration called Akitu, which included a different rite on each of the days, on the first new moon after the vernal equinox, typically around late March. The festival commemorated the fabled victory of the sky deity Marduk over sea goddess Tiamat, as well as the act of crowning a new monarch or permitting the previous king to rule. New Year's resolutions. Every 12 months, millions of human beings around the world live up late on December 31st to usher inside the new year. The new year is an excellent time for mirrored image on the beyond year and what upgrades you may attempt for in the coming months. Resolutions are made around the globe, after which promptly broken. One of the largest reasons for those dropped resolutions is lack of a plan. Here are a few guidelines that will help you hold your New Year's resolutions. Every year, thousands and thousands of people around the arena stay up past due on December 31st to usher within the new year. The new year is an extremely good time for reflection on the past year and what enhancements you may attempt for within the coming months. Resolutions are made around the globe, and then right away damaged. Though by using the C's of January maximum resolutions are forgotten, it doesn't ought to be this manner. One of the largest reasons for those dropped resolutions is loss of a plan. Here are a few tips to help you maintain your New Year's resolutions. Make it specific. A famous resolution is to lose weight. Does it get greater vague? This doesn't virtually provide you with something particular to goal for. Attempt to pinpoint exactly what it is you need to do. If you begin with shed pounds, the extra targeted aim could be to lose 25 pounds through your birthday in July. Or to match returned into your pre-being pregnant genes by the time your child is a year antique. Lose weight also can translate right into a aim to consume healthier or exercising more, two different resolutions which could additionally need narrowing down. The factor is, having a specific purpose to attain through a short time is much more likely to be attained than a general want. Make it practical. Lofty dreams are best, but transferring to the moon might be a little out of our aim. Unachievable plans are quickly left by using the wayside as the New Year's Eve high wears off and actual existence units in. To stay with our lose weight instance, make a goal to lose weight healthily, 1 to 2 pounds per week. This is not most effective achievable, it is plenty healthier to your body than crash dieting to lose 5 or greater kilos per week. Giving yourself practical expectations will increase the probability that you will entire your dreams. Make a plan. Without a plan, outstanding thoughts never get completed. Set apart some time to determine out what it is you want to do to perform your dreams. Maybe you want to move for a stroll every afternoon or be part of a gymnasium. Or maybe you need to reduce to 1 soda a day and 1 dessert every week. Whatever your plan of action is, having one and sticking to it might be a first-rate help to your journey. Make it amusing. Who desires to keep a decision that drains the life out of you? No one we recognize. So do something to add fun in your reign. Dancing burns a variety of calories simply in addition to jogging on a treadmill, and but is tons extra a laugh. Nowadays there are more than 1 online game systems that offer fitness programs you may hold without ever leaving your house. Along with keeping matters amusing, allow yourself room for mistakes. Rigid plans are not any amusing either. So move ahead, have that piece of chocolate cake at your buddy's celebration. Just don't move overboard and do not do it each day. These suggestions are here to help you preserve your resolutions, however the real paintings is up to you. Nail down a concrete business management articles, workable aim for yourself and parent out a way to get there. But keep in mind to have a touch amusing on the way. Good luck and happy new 12 months.